All right, Simple Eaters, I'm heading back home and I want to talk to you about how to substitute your junk food with these 5 favorite easy substitutions. It's hard, I know, I get it. You probably got that double chocolate chip in your cabinet staring at you. Or you're probably binge watching Netflix while eating potato chips. Trust me, I get it. So how do we make this change? Doritos and Oreos is probably your go-to, and you're occasionally eating that and not really watching the portion size, and you're like, this is so good, so delicious, and what's happening? You're just building up calories. Sugary foods can be addicting. So you may also find yourself downing way more than a single portion. That's my point. So if you want, I keep saying so. So if you want to clean up your diet, so what do? You start by cleaning out your freaking kitchen. It's that simple, Simple Eaters. Substitute the junk for a healthy alternative. Okay. This is my kitchen clean out basic. There's 3 steps. Step 1, look through all your cabinets as well as your refrigerator and freezer for any foods that are expired and toss them out. That's an easy place to start. Step 2, are you ready for this? Let's talk about the 5 satisfying swaps now. And why not finish a bag of potato chips while you're binge watching your favorite Netflix show? I know, we do it to ourselves, man. You may buy Doritos or Oreos as a treat, thinking you're just eating on occasion, but let's be real. It's junk food. And it's junk food in your kitchen. And you're gonna eat them no matter what. It's that simple. Sugary food can be addicting. And you may also find yourself downing more than a single portion in one sitting. That happens a lot. You want to clean up your diet, and you want to start by, you want to definitely start by cleaning out your kitchen. Then find healthy alternatives to, like, your junk foods or whatever you crave. All right. This is my kitchen clean out basic. It's 3 steps. Step 1, look through all your cabinets as well as your refrigerator and freezer for any foods that are expired and toss them out. That's an easy place to start. Step 2, throw away or donate anything, just anything that you're not eating. That protein powder might have been a great investment, but it tastes like crap, let's be honest. So why have it there? Get rid of it. Step 3, read your labels, Simple Eaters. If any of your packaged foods contain a list of ingredients, right, you can't pronounce or identify it as a chemical, it pretty much goes in the garbage. It's probably not good for your body. So what do we do next? We got to restock your kitchen. How do we do that? The next step is prepping to restock your kitchen. So all of your go-to foods will become the good foods. This is my 5 common junk foods. The 5 common junk foods that I would suggest to restock, upgrade rather. So for instance, potato chips. Opt for a salty, crunchy snack like plantain or sweet potato chips baked with coconut oil. Ice cream. Trade in the sugar and chemical-filled cartons of ice cream for a dairy-free, coconut-based alternative, or make a banana ice cream in a blender. And now that's freaking simple. Anything chocolate. Instead of stocking up on candy bars or cookies, buy a dark chocolate bar, Simple Eaters, and have 1 or 2 squares when you need that fix. Top it off with a little scoop of peanut butter or almond butter, whatever nut butter you like. Frozen meals. Don't spend money, don't waste your time on pre-made frozen dinners. Spend a few hours over the weekend, it's that simple, and prepare in advance simple soups or meatballs or simple meals. Freeze them in individual containers and have them for the rest of the week. Cereals. There are a lot of quick energy boosting breakfasts out there. Oatmeal is my favorite. There's no need to, buy the freaking Frosted Flakes or crappy brands out there and introduce that into your body. Don't need that. So simple breakfast cereals could be like an oatmeal. No need to spend all that extra money on crap food. Simple Eaters, if you need more inspiration for healthy living, healthy lifestyle, healthy eating, cooking, and all that good stuff, head over to simpleeats.com. I'm Chef T. Peace out. Thanks for joining me, Simple Eaters. We'll see you next time. Peace.